Assalamu alaikum. Now, boys, this is the question which we were doing it today in the class. A solid rectangular block has a base with measures 2x by x, and the height of the blocks is y centimeters, and the volume of the block is 72 centimeter cubed. Right? So he's talking about a cuboid. So let's try to make a cuboid here for you. For example, I'm making a rectangle and I'm making another rectangle at the back. Now join the corners. Now this is in front of you, a cuboid. So he said the base length is 2x and the width is x. The height is y. The volume is given by him equals to 72 centimeter cubed. Now boys, what is the formula for the volume? Length into width into height. This is the volume, and he said this is equals to 72. Now simplify. 2x times x is x squared. Y is equals to 72. Try to make y as a subject. I will tell you why I'm making y as a subject. So 72 divided by 2x squared, and this will give you y equals 36 over x squared. Now put it in a checkbox because I'm going to use this value of y. So he has provided us the volume. I'm sure he will talk about the maximum or minimum value of the surface area. Now, as per the question, he wants express y in terms of x. Wow, we have done it. Did we express y in terms of x? Yes, Mr. Omar, we are done with that. What's the next thing I need to do? He said, show that the surface area. How to find the surface area? Surface area, he is representing it by A. Look at your bottom. The bottom is a rectangle, 2x times x, which is, what is the area? 2x times x. Now I need to times with 2. Why? Because the top has also has same area, right? So times 2. Now I need to take the right hand portion, the right hand face. This is the right hand face. What is the area for the right hand face? X times y. I need to times with 2 because this would be the same area for the left hand face. Now the front and the back is left. What is the area for the front? The front should be 2x times y, and I'm going to multiply with 2 because I want to take the front and the back. Let's simplify. When I simplify this expression, it gives me area is equals to 4x squared, and this is 2xy, and this is 4xy. Now both of them should be simplified furthermore. I get a is equals to 4x squared plus 6xy. Now in the place of y, you are going to substitute the value of y. So a is equals to 4x squared plus 6x, and in the place of y I'm writing 36 over x squared. Now I'm going to cancel x with the x squared. What I will get, a is equals to 4x squared plus 6 times 36 is 216 over x. Is this the result required by the examiner? Yes, we got 3 marks. Now he's talking about the stationary value of y. Whenever we want to get the stationary value, we have to take the derivative of a. So before this, I need to send x on the top. So I will get a is equals to 4x squared plus 216 x raised power minus 1. I need to take the derivative of a. So dA over dx. So this will give us 8x. This will give us minus 216 x raised power minus 2 is equal to 0. Because if anyone wants to get the stationary points, he has to put dA, find derivative and put it equals to 0. Now can I solve this equation? So this is 8x minus 216 over x squared is equals to 0. Can I send this to the other side? So 8x, it is equals to 216 over x squared, right? Next step, send it to this side. So 8x cubed is equal to 216 and x cubed is equal to 216 over 8. And then when I take the cube root, I will get 6 over 2, which is x is equals to 3. So I found the value of x, 3. Can I plug it here to get the value of y also? Y is equal to 36 over 3 squared. So 36 over 9, it gives me 4. So y is equals to 4. So we found the value of x. Did he ask us to find the value of x? Check it out. Find the value of x for which a has a stationary value. So I also got 3 marks. So 3 plus 3, 6 marks are in my pocket. Now I need to check that what is the stationary value. I found the value of y. Sorry, this is not my stationary value. My stationary value is the value of a. What is the formula for a? A is equals to 4x squared, which is 3 squared plus 216 divided by 3. Can I use my calculator? 4 times 9 plus fraction 216 over 3. It gives me 1 over 8. So the stationary value is 108 centimeters squared. So this is also done. But I'm not knowing that this area is a maximum area or a minimum area. For this, I have to take another derivative, which is called the second derivative. So what is the derivative? I have found it. You remember, this was the derivative. I found it. This was the derivative. So now I'm going to write the second derivative, d square a over dx squared, the second derivative. What is the derivative of 8x? It is just 8. Now can I send x raised power 2 on the top, which will become x raised power minus 2? I think on the top, this one you can see and try to take the derivative. So the 8x is 8 and plus what is 216 times 2? It is 512 and x raised power minus 3. Now substitute the value of x here. So 8 plus 512 over 3 raised power 3. So it gives you 8 plus 512 over 27. It gives me a positive answer. It gives me a positive answer. So if the second derivative is positive, it means area which you have found, this should be a minimum area. So you found the nature of the stationary point.